Bark is a platform that helps you find recommended local service professionals and get free quotes fast for your home, garden, pet, or lifestyle needs. So, welcome guys to my video. Welcome to this overview of bark.com. Bark.com. Make sure you watch till the very make sure it's till the very end because I have an overview of this website. So if you're interested in this website, make sure you watch till the very end. And now let's jump right into this video. So Bark, let's see how it works. Find professionals and about. Bark is the Amazon of services. Millions of people use us worldwide to find what they need every day. Customers come to us with their needs. How it works: tell us what you need. Whatever the service you're looking for, you'll find a professional for the job. Let us do the work. Compare the professionals. Choose your favorite and leave a review. Now, it's just we are helping people find what they need and helping the business and provide a service succeed. We are driving a shift towards a demand-based digital economy for service businesses, helping them find new customers and manage their customers better. All right, now we can click here on join as a professional. Now with win local jobs and grow your business. View opportunities in your area for free. What services do you provide? Let's say I provide video editing services. I serve customers within 30 miles from. Enter your postcode. I serve customers nationwide. Click on next. You can also click on here if you want to join them, and then you will be directed to that service, to that search bar. So make sure here you write the service that you are familiar with. Graphic design, I'll go with graphic design. Make sure here you enter your location. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back once I complete this. And by the way, you can also select here I serve customers nationwide. All right. Now here, make sure you enter your name, your company name, your email, your phone number, and website. These are optionals, by the way. Now I'll pause the video and I'll be back once I complete this. Now I'm logged in and I can simply click on here, showing all 270 leads, updates now. We can refresh. And now here I can click on lead settings. And here I have my services I'm providing. Fine-tune the leads you want to be alerted about. Graphic design, logo design, web design, other knowledge service from here. Social media management or branding or brand management. Make sure you add services. Fine-tune the leads you want to be alerted about. Your service, as you can see here, or your location, and see online remote leads. So make sure you enable this as well if that's what you want. Now, make sure you also add personal details. So that's really important. So you go to your profile, view public profile, and make sure here you add results. You add about you. You add about. You write there things about yourself, your experience. That's really important. And describe your company as well and other things here, so you can complete your profile. That's really essential if you want to get jobs. So here you can find some services. Now here we have dashboard. All right, lead settings, get started, and leads. Here we have a lot of leads available for us. You can also click on here to switch to buyer. Now we can find service for your business on Bark, and when you can place a new request. Where do you need it? Enter your postcode or town. What service do you need? From here, you can find service for your business on Bark. All right, perfect. Now let's go back, and here we can log in, and here we can also search for some services we're looking for. Web design. Click on search. Have you used graphic design service before? No. Just this time. All right, continue. London. Searching for professional near you. Now this is gonna help us to find. Now here enter your email. What email address would you like to code sent to you? And we're gonna have our codes sent to our email. Business services. What is your web design requirement? Create a new website, make changes to our current website. There you have a lot of options related to web design as well. Accounting. Also, what is this accounting for? Personal business. So if other services are available here as well related to accounting, also social media managing, DJ. So there's a lot of service available here. So it's pretty cool. And now here we also have services based on different categories. Popular services, see all. What service do you need? Where do you need it? Need to find need help finding a professional. Get codes from professional near you. Popular categories, dog, home, dog training. There's a lot of service available, as I said before, because you have all sorts of professional and popular services ranging from commercial law, crafts, design, web, employment law, fashion, beauty, fashion, clothing, financial, legal, lifestyle, personal. So there's a lot of services available here. So, is recording, perfect. And if you want to find some specific service, you can click on here. And if you want video editing, let's search for video editing, and video editing project type commercial. They also have some question. Well, how long this social material is? Let's say 30 seconds. How long do you want the final video to be? 30 seconds. As I need really fast. Personal use. I'm ready to hire. Yes. Enter your postcode or town, and then you'll have to enter your email. Okay, you've got pros ready to available. Continue now. Enter here your email. All right. The process is really simple. Now you can also here find some testimonials, and here phone number and email, and here you can choose a country if you want. You can go with United States. We can see pricing here. Pricing. Join as a professional. From the moment you sign up, you'll send you leads for free. You only pay to contact customers that you think are the right fit for your business. Ready at the credits at the ready. So we use a simple credit system, buy a credit pack, and simply use the credits to contact the customers you're interested in. No commissions, no hidden fees. Now you're in control. You decide which leads you respond to, and you'll know the cost in credits upfront, the way you always know how much you're spending. Job related prices, new business guaranteed. FAQ we have here as well. Do I get a customer's phone number or email address? Yes. When you pay to respond to a lead, you'll get a customer's phone number and email. Are follow-up messages extra? No, they're free. Do bar credits expire? No, you can use your credits whenever you want. Are there any hidden costs? No, we don't believe in hidden costs, and we don't charge commission either. You simply pay a 1 fee to respond to a lead, and after that, 100 of the money you make from the job is yours to keep. Stop winning new business today. Join as a professional, or you can simply log in. So I really hope you found this overview valuable. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you now in the next tutorial. Take care.